Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove tax included on Shopify product page. So let's get started. So here we are in our store, and as you can see we have the tax included note right here. So we want to remove this. So to do that, all you have to do is go back here into your dashboard in Shopify, and from here you would need to access your settings. So you would need to click here, settings, click on that. And then from here, you would need to go for taxes and duties right here. So click on taxes and duties. And now from here, you want to go scroll all the way down until you see here under global settings, you would need to uncheck include sales tax in a product price and shipping rate. This is what you would need to disable. So uncheck this one right here. Once you have unchecked that, you may now save right here. You don't have to disable the charge sales tax on shipping or this one right here, only this, okay? Because a lot of you are getting confused on which one of this you should disable to get rid of that. This is the only one that you need. And now that you have disabled that, you may now go back into your store right here. As you can see, it says tax included. So now when we refresh this, you would now see that it is now gone. Just like that, we now have successfully removed tax included on Shopify product page. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.